players in the squad, a real opportunity to feel part of it.
The Los Angeles Stadium. Eyed in 4 of this starting 11, including Brendan Aronson.
A deep delivery from Holter was joy.
Free at the far post and in. Paraguay, and remember, Paraguay were down to 10 players. So
Yilmaz, brilliant.
Enjoying a good ball carry here. Sets up the chance. It's Aronson. Or it's dropping kindly here. Chucky with a set. And the US
Robinson with the initial header, it fell down.
This Goulet, third man run is good. Interminable. Good offer here from Weah. Took that nicely. Closing in on first half stoppage time. Excellent challenge on Reina. Yildiz. Referee from Algeria. After it started so brightly for Pochettino's side. After an excellent Mauricio Pochettino's was Kenzie with little or no effort with a long throw. Oh yes! What a moment! Bastian Berhalter!
Slow on the half volley.
Can he deliver? No! Chucky
just trying to fire this.
Teasing ball in. Oh!
Shakir stretching.
Pulisic. He'll have a go from there.
Flashes past.
Into the path of Yilmaz. Can he get clear now? Still in there. An impossible situation there. Good cross. Chance for the winner for Turkey.
Things up, and then when it fell, and win the game.
In the match, been first defeat